What is privacy? Have you ever Googled your name? What did you find out about yourself? Like many people, you may have been a bit surprised about the information that you could be obtained about you through a simple internet search.
Information technology has opened up society and decreased privacy. Privacy continues to diminish as technological innovation progresses.
Technology has a number of social and ethical implications that cause debate and concern. One specific issue is privacy. Information technology has opened up society and decreased privacy.
In addition, there are new technologies such as advanced data mining software, facial recognition devices, retinal scanner, and other advanced biometrics.
Implementation of the national ID system in the Philippines has been hotly debated by our lawmakers from the time of President Ramos until the time of President Arroyo. Its implementation was strongly opposed by the militant group for the main reason that it shall violate their right to privacy.
Others are in favor and argued that the benefits of implementing the national ID system are very substantial and will not violate the citizens' right to privacy.
Imagine that we're living in a technology-enabled national ID system. Here are some scenarios that shows on how national ID system will work.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm here to apply for an insurance.
Requirements in national ID.
Oh, here's my requirements and my ID.
Okay. I'll process it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next. Requirements. And how about national ID? You don't have? I cannot process this. Maybe you go next one. No way. Shit. Help, sir.
Oh.
National ID, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, enter. Sir, national ID, sir. You don't have? You're not allowed to enter. Go away. Roger, Roger. A suspicious person is here. Capture him. National ID system will serve as a local passport or a plate number in every individual citizen in our country. Even if you are a law-abiding citizen or not, you must register, otherwise, you will be penalized. When you are not registered and being identified, you are actually committing a crime. Hence, any police officer or private individual can arrest you even if they don't have warrant of arrest. Sir, national ID, sir.
Even at my own bed?
The word privacy was only mentioned once in the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Thus, number 1, the privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Number 2. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. The court order is lawful when the search warrant is issued by the judge after he personally determines that there is a probable cause which is required by Article 3, Section 2 of the Constitution. Thus, the right of the people to be secured in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall be issued except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witness he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the person or things to be seized.
Wow, this game is great. It just takes too long to upgrade. And I've got no more gem. It's almost great.
Hey man, I heard you're playing COC too.
Yeah. Why?
Can I see your base?
Here, I got, it's not that strong yet.
So noob, man. Look at mine. I have a lot of gems.
Oh shoot!
I'm 209.
How did you get that so many gems?
We have offer, man. 80% off. You wanna buy some?
For real?
Yeah.
Sure, sure. How can I get that gem?
You wanna come with me?
Yeah, sure, sure. Where?
Just follow me, man.
Okay, man.
Man, you will become the strongest Filipino ever to play
Really?
COC. Yeah. If you wanna be on top, you will buy last.
Is that,
Let me introduce you to my friends.
wow. This is,
Anma Anwan and
Oh.
Anonymous 2.
oh. Hello, hello.
Hello.
I heard you can create many gems. Is that
Not
true?
create, not create. We're not cheaters.
Oh.
You will buy some? How much?
How much per gem?
80% off for you.
Oh, look, let's do the deal. Let's do the deal.
How many gem?
999. But wait, is this legal?
100% legit, man.
Okay.
Give me a phone now.
You enter your account here.
Yeah, go.
Oh, you want PayPal? Or on cash?
Cash.
Okay. Okay, it's done.
Okay, transfer is complete. Look at your gem.
Oh! So 999, so cool. Thank you.
Payment, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Nice deal.
Nice. So I'm gonna get going.
You satisfied, man?
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
Welcome, dude.
Good thing I met you. Thank
Just
you.
come back if you want more.
Yeah.
bring your
Yeah.
friends.
Yeah, I'll bring my friends. Lots of them.
Bye,
Okay.
dude.
Bye. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Oh no. Why is my account is deactivated? How can this be? Oh no. I'm gonna call the customer service about this.
Hello, this is Mark, sir. What can I do for you?
I'm just gonna ask for some problems. My account has been deactivated. Can you check it out for me?
Before that, sir, may I have your name?
My name COC is Brian David Pepito. My username there is Brian Pitts.
Brian Pitts. Can you spell it out so we can check it with accuracy?
Okay. B as in beta, R as in rock, Y as in Yahoo, A as in alpha, and N as in note, and P as in peta, and I as in, T as in theta, and Z as in zeta. So
Ah,
that's the spell.
okay, thank you very much, sir. And please wait a moment while we check for your account and all the details. I will hang up for a bit, so please wait and I will return shortly.
Okay po. Okay, I'll wait.
Sir Brian,
Oh, yes sir.
I'm sorry to tell you, but as we have checked your account, there's an anomaly that shows that you have acquired a number of gems in an illegal fashion.
What?
Do you know something about this, sir?
Well, I'm not really sure.
Sir, because this violates the terms and agreements in the game, and it will cause you to be banned, and there's no really chance for your account to be reactivated, sir. I'm very sorry.
Oh man. Okay, sir. Thank you for your help. Guess I'll guess I have to accept it. And anyway, it's my fault. So, oh, well, anyway, thank you for your help, sir.
Okay, sir. You're welcome, sir. Do you have any more requests or questions?
I guess for now there's no question. I'll just call you again if there's any.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
I thought it was legal. I've been deceived and decepted. I'm gonna call the police. Hello, is this the police station?
Yes, Antipolo Police Station. What can I do for you?
Sir, I'm gonna report a scam.
Your name, sir?
Brian David, sir.
Where did it happen? And when?
Here at Antipolo Hills, sir. Antipolo City.
When?
Last 3 days, sir.
What happened?
I've been a victim of scam, sir. And I want you to arrest them.
Okay, I'll pass you to my police officer, Mr. Senior Inspector Marco Polo.
Okay, sir. I'll wait for your officer, sir. Here at Antipolo, sir.
Can you come today?
Okay, sir. I'll come today, sir.
Okay. Mr. Marco Polo will help you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm going to go there.
Okay. Hey, man.
What's up, bro?
What's up? I saw your last client talking with the police.
Are they coming here?
I don't know, man.
Don't panic, man.
Just relax, man.
Just relax.
Man, it's my first time, dude.
It's okay, man.
It's okay. We're having it already in the past. If they have search warrant, we will run. If they don't have school, dude. If they don't have, they can search us. I'll handle it. Don't worry.
Okay.
It's up to you, man.
I continue my work.
Handle it.
No client for today.
Yeah. Too bad for us.
Sir, this is the place.
Oh, I see. Is this the Clash of Clans then that I've heard from this boy?
Yes, it is. What can I do for you, officer?
I'm Officer Marco Polo from the Investigatory Department of Antipolo, and this boy has reported me something of a scam that is
We are the
happening here.
scammer.
What kind of scam?
You told me that I will buy some gem for the game, and my account is
Okay, so this boy has said to me that he's been a victim of a scamming incident here, so I would like to conduct investigation and a thorough search in this area of all the gadgets and computer and
That's not
laptops that
true.
you're using.
Oops, before that, do you have your search warrant?
No, I don't have a search warrant.
Okay. You know the law?
Open your bag for inspection. Is this necessary? Yes, for safety purposes. What's this?
Just some documents.
This item is not inside the facility, so I'll confiscate it for the moment.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Hope my money will be safe in your account.
Guaranteed.
Bank. Thank you.
Next.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you, sir?
I would like to deposit my money to my bank account.
How much will you deposit, sir?
300 billion.
Oh, 300 million.
Of course.
Ay, or of our law.
I'm not,
You need to sign up some forms regarding your informations. Fill it. And I will have the money and I will process it.
How about the valid ID?
Yes, sir.
You need to.
I will check it.
Okay, here's it. Here it is.
Here's your ID, sir, and the form. You will
The
keep
form?
it. You will keep it.
Hope my money will be safe in your bank.
Yes, this will your money will be safe. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Next.
Rational basis test. A judicial standard of review that examines whether legislature had a reasonable and not an arbitrary basis for enacting a particular decree. Courts employ various standards of review to assess whether legislative acts violate constitutionally protected interests. The Supreme Court has articulated the rational basis test for those cases where a complainant alleges that the legislature has made an arbitrary irrational decision. When a court employs the rational basis test, it usually upholds the constitutionality of the law because the test gives great deference to the legislative branch. A law that touches on a constitutionally protected interest must be rationally related to furthering a legitimate government interest. In applying the rational basis test, courts begin with the strong presumption that the law or policy under review is valid. The burden of proof is on the party, making the challenge to show that the law or policy is unconstitutional. To meet this burden, the party must demonstrate that the law or policy does not have a rational basis. This is difficult to prove. A court can usually find some reasonable ground for sustaining the unconstitutionality of the challenged law or policy.
What is burden of proof? Burden of proof can define the duty placed upon a party to prove or disprove a disputed fact, or it can define which party bears this burden. In criminal cases, the burden of proof is placed on the prosecution, who must demonstrate that the defendant is guilty before a jury may convict him or her. But in some jurisdiction, the defendant has the burden of establishing the existence of certain facts that give rise to a defense, such as the insanity plea. In civil cases, the plaintiff is normally charged with the burden of proof, but the defendant can be required to establish certain defenses. Burden of proof can also define persecution.
Hello, my friend. I know you know the best hitman in the world.
Oh, that's Mr. Gogo 13.
We're intercepting a signal here. Yes, yes, we're getting something.
Can I have the contact of him?
Of course, but there's an exchange for your request.
Yes. Name your price.
I'll connect you to him.
Speak. Hello? Is this Mr. Golgo 13?
How did you know my identity?
Mr. Sapping gave it to me. He's a friend of mine.
Who's the target?
He is one of my colleagues in my company.
Okay, let us meet and give me the full details. And don't forget about the 300 million pesos.
Let's meet. Mr. Golgo 13?
Okay. Did you bring the money?
Yes, I have the money in the full details in the vault.
Okay, put it down there. And you may go.
Here to capture those criminals who want to kill VIPs in this country. Watch us how we capture them.
Yes, we are anti-criminals.
No, we're police.
Oh, yes, we're police. We're police.
Okay, yes. Let's go.
Let's go. You go ahead. I'll cover your back.
You enter first, then I will follow you. Go. Fast.
Why don't you go ahead? I'll
You
cover your
go
back.
now. I'm your iron officer. So you go now. Go.
Okay, okay.
What if... No, I have the lights on. You will not die.
Okay, okay.
If you die, I will prepare your mother and your father.
Wait,
Okay, at the count of 3, I will count 1, 2, 3, then we will kick together, okay? Okay, no. You kick. No, we kick together. Okay, okay. And you kneel down. You kneel down. Reporting to HQ. Reporting to HQ. I got two guys that doing something illegal here. I think they're two homosexual guys, and please send back up. Okay. You do. Kneel down. Kneel down.
This base. Okay, let's go. You are under arrest. Anything you say will be used against you.
But you have the right to remain silent, but you still go to jail. And I will guarantee that you will bleed. Go.
By law, we know and understand that to secretly overhear, intercept, or record any form of communication is unlawful to any person. For an example, let's tackle about the Ramirez versus Garcia case in 1995. The unsuspecting Garcia was taunted by Ramirez to mock and ridicule her. Ramirez, thinking that she has the upper hand on Garcia, secretly recording the conversation. The question at hand here is that, can Ramirez use the secretly recorded conversation as evidence in the courtroom? There are many conclusions that can be inferred in this situation. But either as a law-abiding citizen or decision maker, we have no choice but to follow what the law dictates. And as for the actions of Ramirez, it violates the Anti-Wiretapping Act. She violates the privacy of Garcia to the point that she also steps into the boundaries of Garcia's standards about privacy. If Garcia knew she was being wiretapped, she will never act the way she acted.
Your Honor, I would like to file a case against my husband. Here is my evidence.
I object, Your Honor. She took that evidence from my office secretly.
Your appeal is denied.
What?
This court declared the intimacy between husband and wife do not justify any one of them in breaking the drawers and cabinets of the other in ransacking them for any telltale evidence of marital infidelity. A person by contracting marriage does not shed his or her integrity or his right to privacy as an individual, and the constitutional protection is ever available to him or to her.
Privacy between spouses. Is there privacy between a husband and a wife? In the video scene, the wife breaks into the husband's office and took personal things and used the diary and the conversation captured in the laptop as an evidence of marital infidelity. The court declares that the evidence must be returned to the owner and pays the husband as a fine as nominal damage. Neither husband nor wife may testify for or against the other without the consent of the affected spouse while the marriage subsists. In addition, a person by contracting marriage does not shed his or her integrity or his rights to privacy as an individual, and constitutional protection is never available to him or to her.
What is here?
Three.
Attention! Prisoner number 6969!
Yes, Warden.
You have mail!
Why this is open already?
Don't you know? You lost your privacy rights when you are convicted. Monses Jeffrey, you have a letter from your lawyer.
Oh, sir. Thank you.
But first, I have to check what is inside.
Okay.
Okay, you can have it.
Thank you. Identity thief is a consumer's fraud that knowingly occur when someone copies another person's identity or information. Sometimes it is used to have the benefits of other person, like getting pensions, loans, remittances from that person who he or she copies.
Thank you for trusting our company, sir. For follow-up, please don't call us. We will call you.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
What are the requirements for car loan?
Car loan, sir. You just need your valid ID, payslip, and proof of billings.
Okay. Look for a while. Here. The valid ID is
Okay, wait sir, I'll check it first. Mr. Mr. Aldea,
Yes.
your address is L1 Magnolia Street, Antipolo, Rizal.
Antipolo Hills.
Okay sir, we will process it. Just wait. Thank you for trusting our company, sir.
Okay, sir.
We will process your application as soon as possible. For follow-up, please don't call us. We will call you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll wait for that.
Thank you. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
What can I do for you, sir?
I'm gonna apply for our car loan.
Sorry, we're closed, sir. Maybe you come back tomorrow.
Sir!
Yes, sir. What's your problem, sir?
Weeks have passed, but you're not calling me.
You did it na.
Maybe you ask the customer service. Right there. Sorry for interruption, sir.
Okay,
What can I do for you?
I want to apply for a car loan.
May I have your requirements, sir?
What are the requirements, can I ask?
Just valid ID, payslip, and proof of billing.
Oh, I have those. Here.
Wait, sir. I'll check it first. Mr. Aldea,
Yes,
I think I remember you.
but it's my first time coming here.
Really?
What do you mean?
Let me check our database.
Okay.
Sir, you're our client last week.
What?
And you have loan for 1.5 million pesos.
That is ridiculous. I never applied for a 1 million car loan. I would like to just apply for a 250,000 car loan. How did that happen?
Sir, but our database matched with your identity.
Is that true?
Yes, sir.
How is that possible?
I don't know, sir. But I double checked it and it matched with your identity. Sorry, but we denied your application, sir.
I will ask your customer service about this. And your manager.
Sir, this is my requirement.
Sorry, sir, but I will follow the last client. We have a problem, sir. We're closed already.
In our case, Mr. Molina applied for a loan using the name of Mr. Aldea, and then Mr. Aldea will apply for the same loan, and he will not get the loan because Mr. Molina already used his name, and Mr. Aldea will have now the record in the loan company, and he will be paying for that loan that Mr. Molina applies, and that will be the stealing because Mr. Molina can get the benefit like that loan using another's name or information. Good evening, everyone. We're here somewhere in Antipolo, and they are about to capture the #1 thief and scammer, Mr. Lawrence Molina.
Police! Police!
Freeze! We have a warrant of arrest to arrest you, Mr. Molina.
Get up! Get up! On your knees! Hands on your back! Okay, sir. I got his hand.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Good evening, everyone. I'm with Second Lieutenant James Bong. Sir, what the process did you do just to capture the like this Lawrence Molina?
We made intelligent intel gathering, and we checked the firms where the identity stealing has happened. And then when we had some lead, we have discovered where Mr. Molina is hiding, and then we applied for a warrant of arrest so we can immediately capture this identity stealer.
That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. And here are some evidences that they... Look. Here. Some example of the identity. So, good night, everyone. I'm David Clarin Reyes reporting.
Where did Brian go? He's not answering his phone.
Some more, dude. Yeah, that's those. That's those.
I call Jeffrey.
Yeah, those. Oh wait, my phone is ringing. Oh. Hello, sir.
Hello, Jeffrey. Are you with Brian? He's not answering his phone.
Yes, I'm with Brian. Oh. He's drunk. Yeah. Okay, sir. Bye. Oh, dude. Your father called me. What? What did he say? He said you're not answering his call. He's angry, man. My phone. Where's my phone? It's in the car. Oh. What? We don't have a car. You have a motor, dude. You don't have a car. Oh, yeah. You're drunk, man. Oh, yeah. Let's stick to that. Yeah. For your car. Yeah.
Oh, Brian.
Hey, Dad. So why are you still awake?
Come here. Where have you been? Where have you been? Answer me.
I'm with Jeffrey, where we were doing some thesis in the library.
Are you drunk? Why are you not answering your phone?
No.
Your phone?
I left it in the car.
But we don't have a car.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Go to your bedroom.
It's not good.
Due process or due process of law means that it should be here before it condemns, which also proceeds upon inquiry and renders judgment only after trial. Just like the scenario earlier, the parent used due process before punishing his son. Even though he knows that his son is guilty, he still asks his son if what he knows is true. He still lets his son talks about his son's sight, but the son still lied, so he started to punish his son. Due process only means that there should be a right process before jumping into conclusions. There are two aspects of due process. First is the procedural due process, which refers to the mode of procedure which government and private agencies must follow in line with the laws and rules. And the second is the substantive due process, which is the prohibition against arbitrary laws.
Due process clause applied in software designs. You may not be aware that a programmer is applying the due process clause when designing and writing programs. It gives the user the right to be heard when it discerns the presence of a clear and present danger. For example, you edit a document and accidentally close it without saving. A dialog box will appear. No, not that one. This one. And ask you to save, discard, or cancel the changes in the document. That event is a due process in software design. Since there is a clear and present danger, the system will automatically give you an opportunity to be heard. Thus, a message will automatically appear.
Kawawa, ikaw na naman!
Ay, sorry.
Oh, this is bad. They're talking.
And this number one scammer here in the Philippines have been located and is about to be captured.
Your eye. The unsuspecting Garcia was